How are these great value LED lights holding up in my vanity? I did a part 1. If you'll look, I'll try to put a little link up here. If not, then check in the text below and I will put the link to that video there because it's going to give you a lot of information that you might need about this video. And if not there, then check at the end of this video and I'll try to link a card there. But YouTube does change. I'm not sure where it's going to be, but it'll be somewhere. It'll be somewhere. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and let me tell you how these LED bulbs held up. It's the first day of September 2018. A couple of days ago, this bulb here started going out and flickering. Let's check and see how long it's been in. It will come back on a little bit, but it just won't stay on. And this particular bulb was put in on February the 8th, 2018. So what, it lasted 7 months. Let's put a replacement in. I wondered if it was the bulb or actually the connector in my light. So I'm testing the same bulb in this lamp here and it seems to be working fine. That leads me to believe the problem is not in the bulb but in my fixture. I'm just going to swap the bulbs to see if perhaps this bulb that does work in the third slot will work here. And put the bulb that was going out in the middle. Let's see what we have here. Well, that bulb doesn't want to work in here. It's not the fixture, it's that bulb. Odd. It's just unreliable. I twisted it a little bit and it's working. I'm going to leave it like this and see what happens. Well, I've given it over a week and it hasn't come back on and won't stay on reliably, so I'm putting a new bulb in. The warranty says it's based on 3 hours a day use and supposed to be for 3 years. There's no way I'll leave these lights on 3 hours a day, and this bulb didn't even last a full year. I bought them in December and put the bulb in, I believe in February. They have this annoying ink right on the front of the bulb, so I have to take fingernail polish remover and try to get that off. Actually, the rubbing alcohol worked better to get the ink off of the light bulb. I'm going to write today's date. On this one, to help monitor how long it will. See, this one just won't reliably stay on. Oh, petite people problems. This bulb didn't even work 7 months. It's supposed to be guaranteed to work 3 years with 3 hours a day. No. It's April Fool's Day 2019. Let's check and see how these bulbs are working. Put in December the 12th, 2017, still working. This is one of the original non-LED bulbs that was still put in. It's been in here since 2004, I guess. Put in September 9th, 2018, still working. September the 12th, 2017, still working. January the 9th, 2018, still working. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and let somebody else know about how these bulbs hold up if they're considering buying them. So they're not too great, not too bad, but anyway, if you have time before you go, watch another video because I'm all about trying to help us become better consumers so that we have more happiness minutes. And until next time, Keep it bright. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Just kidding. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, it's free. Ugh.